Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you looking for a compact SUV that blends stunning design, premium feel, and impressive practicality? Well, you might just have found your next obsession. Today, we're taking an exclusive first look at the highly anticipated 2026 Mazda CX-30. Stick around, because this one is a head-turner. Let's kick things off with the exterior, and wow, Mazda has truly outdone themselves with the 2026 CX-30. Taking cues from Mazda's evolving Kodo design language, this vehicle exudes a sophisticated and athletic presence. Notice the sleek, sculpted lines that flow effortlessly from the front grille all the way to the rear. The signature wing grille is bolder, flanked by those striking, slender LED headlights that give the CX-30 an almost predatory gaze. The front bumper integrates seamlessly, with subtle chrome accents adding a touch of elegance. Looking at it head-on, the stance is confident and wide. The black cladding around the wheel arches, a common SUV characteristic, is well integrated here, adding to its rugged yet refined appeal. And those wheels, the multi-spoke dark alloy wheels, are absolutely stunning and perfectly complement the deep, rich finish of the body. Now, let's move around to the back. The rear of the 2026 CX-30 is just as captivating as the front. The taillights have a distinct circular or oval motif, giving them a modern and upscale look, especially when illuminated. The strong shoulder line carries through, creating a sense of muscularity, and the integrated spoiler at the top of the rear hatch adds a sporty touch. The dual exhaust outlets are a nice touch, hinting at the performance capabilities under the hood. Under the hood, while official specs for the 2026 model are still emerging, we anticipate Mazda will continue to offer their Skyactiv G engines, possibly with mild hybrid options for improved fuel efficiency, or even more electrified powertrains. Mazda has always prioritized a connected driving experience, so expect agile handling, precise steering, and a comfortable ride that makes both city driving and highway cruising a pleasure. The CX-30 has consistently been praised for its engaging driving dynamics, and we expect the 2026 model to build on that legacy. So, what do you think of the 2026 Mazda CX-30? Are you as excited as we are? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more automotive reviews. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. And share it with anyone considering a new compact SUV. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.